Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are having a great day. A gracious warm welcome to all of you on our channel. So, today we are meeting with an interesting person. Yes, Miss Sonia Gupta. So, hi Sonia, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. So, before conversation, please introduce yourself in front of my audience.
My name is Sonia Gupta. I'm studying in class 12. I'm from Agra city. I'm from the maths background. I'm also preparing for some competition exam along with my 12th. That's all about myself.
Wow, it's great to hear about yourself. So, you are from Agra city. That's great.
Yes.
So, could you please tell me about Agra city? What are the specialty over here, and what do you like most there, and what things you don't like there?
Agra. Agra is rich in Mughal architecture. As we all know, Agra main specialty is Taj Mahal. Agra is also known as City of Love because of its Taj Mahal. It symbolizes eternal love. Also, Agra has many famous dishes, which tourists visit. They definitely eat these dishes, like Agra's petha and Agra's jalebi and pedai. They are most famous. Also, Agra is famous for leather work. Or if you're asking about me, what I like the most in Agra, then I like the most in Agra is Red Fort because it has unbreakable defense system. It's an historical fort of Akbar.
Okay, so it's great to hear about the Agra. You wonderful explained. I liked most, and you told me that here the petha is so much famous. I like also petha because
Yes,
I'm very fond of about the sweets. So literally
it
you
is
have
one of the
explained.
famous sweet dishes. It
Yeah,
is one of the most famous sweet dishes of the Agra.
one of the most famous is I know. And you explained about the Taj Mahal and Agra cities. All things were very commendable. It's really nice. So apart from that, if I talk
Yes.
about one more questions, which person do you inspire most? Means which
The
persons in your
most
life, yeah, who is role model for you?
My role model is my mother, who inspires me with many things, always supporting me with my decision. Whatever I want to do, I have my flag. She always behind me, supporting me.
Definitely.
Whatever my liking, whatever not, she also know that.
Yeah, absolutely
If
correct.
I told her not,
Yeah.
my role model is my mother.
Yeah, definitely. Mother is always a role model in our life because I've also experienced in my life. My mother also always guide me, and so many times she used to tell me about that whatever I'm doing. So always she gave me a good path so that I can go ahead with my good way in the perfect direction. So because mother is always with us. Even father also with us because I know father they have lots of burden to go outside, so that's why they can't give ample of time at home. So that's why mother always at home, so that's why she
Hmm.
pamper us, she look after us. So I really appreciate first teacher is mother in our life. After that yeah,
Obviously,
some
our
other
first teacher
persons.
is my mother.
Yeah, definitely. Absolutely correct. So, if I talk about what kind of person you are an introvert or extrovert?
Well, about this, I'm not a totally introvert nor an extrovert. I'm an ambivert. I took some time to get comfortable with people. I can't talk easily to anyone, but after becoming comfortable, I can talk to them easily. My
Obviously.
personality is called the ambivert.
Yeah, definitely. Absolutely correct that you have told because all time we have to not extrovert or not introvert kind of person. It just depend of the person to person, what kind of the person we are handling. So it just depend on the
Yes.
situations. Yeah, because sometimes any strange is in front of us, so we can't reveal all things. We can't
Yes.
confide all things in front of us. So your way of thinking is absolutely good. I appreciate that. Moreover, that if I talk about your favorite food, so which you like most and with you relish most, at home foods or you like outside foods?
I don't like more outside food. I like my mother's food. About my favorite dish and my favorite dish, South dish, idli sambar. It's my
Okay.
favorite, especially
So
when it's made by my mother.
which is made by your mother. Okay. So she makes
Yes, it tastes very
delicious
well.
food. Yeah, okay, that's
Obviously,
yeah, okay, that's nice. So do you like cooking?
yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so
I try
what things
sometimes.
what things can you make at home? Sometimes do you cook?
I, yes, I do sometimes on weekends.
Yeah,
Weekends,
definitely.
I make some snacks. Not exactly I know cooking, but I can make some snacks like pasta, sandwiches, and noodles, etc.
Yeah, because yeah, it's great to hear about that because you are saying absolutely correct. On the weekend, we are free, so we can uh, get
Yeah,
some time for our families. So it's great. You should cook some things at the weekend so that you can spend time with your family members as well. Yeah, it's good thing, and I appreciate with that. So okay, if I talk about your friends, do you like to gossip with your friends?
yes, a little bit.
Little bit. Why?
Apart from study, I don't have enough time to gossip, but sometimes it's good to
Yeah,
talk with our friends, free. It's
yeah,
also will like freshening up our mind. We feel
exactly.
so apart from happy after talking our friend, gossiping, whether it is whatever it is.
Yeah, definitely. Whenever we talk with the friends, so it is really very good thing. If we soothe our minds, we peaceful our minds. So sometimes it's really very good thing for having a great experience and feel enthusiasm. But not much more
Yes.
friends. Yeah, some friends are very close to us and they are very good, like a best friend.
Hmm.
So yeah, along with that, we really enjoy if we talk at least for half an hour in a day. So I think it's a great experience.
I also talk with two to friends. I don't talk with many friends.
Okay, okay. Yeah, definitely. If I talk about myself, my opinion is that it is not a necessary we should have ample of the friends, plethora of the friends. It doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Matter is that if we have a one or two friends that are real, that should be real, so that we
Yes.
can share with them uh, anything else and they guide us. They understand us. So it is the main important thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so one interesting question I would like to ask to you. If you had a chance to change one thing in the world, so what it would be?
Well, I don't know about world, but if I had chance to change one thing in India, then that would be a thing that we know that uh, in competitive exams we have reservation seats, and I would like to
Reservation.
change that system because I'm a student and I know what it feels like to have a reservation.
Yes,
We
definitely.
also have that- if I want to change something, then I would definitely change this.
Yes, definitely. It's very difficult for the students because if they are in not OBC quota or yeah, in scheduled caste,
Oh,
if the person is in general categories, so it's really
yes,
very difficult to get crack any examination. So I think it
yes,
should be changed in our country. I am also with you. So if any person will listen that is related to the government or government field, so I think they
hmm,
should listen what kinds of problems they are facing, like so many students in our country, they are having a good knowledge and they literally they are a very intelligent person but they can't crack the examinations. So I think it should be changed in our country. So it's a great to hear about your opinion. All thoughts and opinions are really very good that you have told me. I really like and appreciate. So your way of thinking is absolutely correct, like positive. So we should be a very positive mind and practical also. So apart from that, if I ask to you some idioms, so could you please tell me of the meanings and answer of the idioms?
Okay.
Okay. So first one is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet. It's mean to do something difficult that we are avoiding. Like
Yeah,
we are
definitely.
avoiding a task because we fear or whatever we lack, but we are avoiding a task. That's why it's called bite the bullet.
Yes, definitely. You are correct. Whenever we are facing any difficult situation, so at that time we can say, finally, we have to bite the bullet. So, could you please make a sentence?
Mm, okay. I don't like to going to dentist, but I bite the bullet and go.
Oh, wow. Could you please tell me that sentence again?
I don't like going to the dentist, but I bite the bullet and go.
Okay, finally you will have to go there. So that's why you told,
Yes,
finally I bite the bullet. I have to go dentist.
yes.
That's nice. Okay, so if I ask one another to you, let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag
Let the cat off the bag. It's a reveal a secret by mistake.
by mistake. Yeah,
With some, it's a, if you ask a sentence, then I can make like she let the cat out of the bag of the by surprise party.
yeah, definitely. Off की जगह हम लगाएंगे. We should put here about. We can make a sentence like this: a student let the cat out of the bag about the secrets among all of the students. So
Okay,
it would be more refined sentence. Okay. Another one is, it is more interesting idiom: throw in the towel.
okay.
Throw in the towel.
Fine. It maybe like we throw something.
Its meaning is that to give up or quit, or we
Oh,
can say succumb. Okay, succumb. To give up,
hmm.
succumb we can say, or like that, to accept defeat, like that.
Yes.
Whenever we accept defeat, so we can use that idiom. So could you please make a sentence on this?
Okay. He failed the exam many times, but he didn't throw in the towel.
He did. Okay, that's nice. Didn't throw or never throw in the towel, you can use. So it's quite clear. So I appreciate your all way of explanation of the sentences. So it is quite correct. So you are so intelligent person. I think it's a great chat with you, Sonia. I like it very most, and I look forward that whatever you think in your life to achieve any goal or anything else, so definitely you will come across. You will definitely achieve. So it's my wish for you. So would you like to connect with me again? Because I enjoyed a lot with you.
I will definitely. I will also enjoy. And thank you for your compliment and appreciation.
Yeah, definitely. So thank you for joining with me. So again, we will connect. So thank you so much. Bye bye and take care of yourself.
Bye. And take
Bye
care you
bye.
also.